In this video, I'll be telling you a full 9-month preparation plan for ISI MSQE. Now, if you're someone who has already done a lot of economics, then you can jump to the next step. But for people, engineers and non-economics background people, you need to read economics in the first stage, and in the first stage or first step you need to give 2 months, 1 month for microeconomics and 1 month for macroeconomics. In the first month you need to read variance microeconomics. Read it like a storybook or set of stories. Don't try to understand everything, but do read it mindfully. In the next month, read a macroeconomics textbook. It could be Mankiv, it could be Blanchard, it could be Dornbusch Fisher. Take any of the macroeconomics book which suits you. The links for the books would be provided in the description box below. Now, in this 2 months time, you have done a bit of economics and understood what economics is all about. Next comes the vital part, the maths part. So go to ISI admissions page and look for the syllabus, and also get hold of a JE book. Now, I've also given a link for JE books. So go get hold of a JE book, get hold of ISI syllabus and make an overlap. Read the chapters which are relevant for you and give it 3 months of time. Don't try to resolve all your doubts in this stage. Just try to cover the entire syllabus. This is the syllabus coverage part. And then also segment your weak, strong and doubts. You can make a doubt Excel sheet or a doubt Google spreadsheet or make a notebook of doubts. And in this stage you also need to do a bit of statistics. In statistics, what you need to study is what is probability, what is expectation, what is variance, what is first moment, what is second moment, what is probability distribution, what is CDF, what is PDF, what is normal distribution, then what is hypothesis testing, what is confidence interval, what is p-value, what is type 1 error, what is type 2 error. So whichever book you want to study probability and statistics from, these are the topics which you need to refer. I would try to link a good probability and statistics textbook in the description box below. Now, in this 3 months, you have made a good foundation for maths and statistics. And in the previous stage, you did the same work for economics. So now you know what is microeconomics, macroeconomics, and maths and statistics. So head over to ISI MSQE page again and read the question papers thoroughly. Try to get the understanding of what the question paper is demanding from you, what you need to study and what you need to leave. So with this idea in mind, jump to the next stage, the most important stage of your ISI MSQE preparation. Now this stage has again 3 months of time, and in this 3 months you have to do a lot of things, and I've also made a note of that. And if you want a similar note for yourself, I would make a PDF of this, 1-page PDF, and send it over to you. So you need to submit your email ID in a link I'll provide in the description box, and I will be sending you that out. So I'll be just detailing the resources now. So for microeconomics, you need to study from variant textbook, which I already told you, and variant workbook, because variant textbook has very limited questions. So if you do the end of the chapter variant textbook questions, go to variant workbook. It has multiple choice questions there. So that is very essential for your MSQE entrance exam. So this is for your microeconomics. For macroeconomics, you definitely don't need to study it in that detail, and rather I would tell you the time allocation for micro maths and macroeconomics. It would be something like this: give the maximum amount of time to maths, then micro, then macro. So it would be in this ratio, 4:3:1. 4 to maths, 3 to micro, and 1 to macro. Now, you need to understand that when you are reading microeconomics, you could land up into a lot of doubts, or rather, even for that matter, in maths or macroeconomics. For helping you with doubts, you have two main resources. One is a MSQE WhatsApp group which I have, and if you want to join that group, send me an email. I will be giving you the email address in the description box, or you can refer to Amit Goyal sir's forum or his website or his Quora page or his YouTube page. I'll be providing links for that also in the description box. And it will be very helpful for you to eradicate your doubts, because personally I have benefited a lot from Amit Goyal sir's content on the website, Amit Goyal sir's content on the internet. I had also made this MSQ WhatsApp group while I was preparing for this exam. So you can understand how important this MSQ WhatsApp group was for me. And as a form of gratitude, I have just extended this MSQ WhatsApp group till now. Till now, I run it as an admin of that group, just out of gratitude. And when I was preparing for that exam, the AIR 1, All India Rank 1 for ISI as well as Delhi School of Economics, was a member of that group. So this was about the resources plan for you. And while you're preparing micro, macro and maths, you need to also make notes, because notes come in very handy for a preparation in the last stages of your preparation days. So make condensed notes using mental map. And how to make mental maps, I have made a video on that. So go to the I link button over here and check that video out for yourself. Don't do it now already. I mean, let's finish this video off. I'll be also providing that link in the description box. So first complete this video and then go to the mental maps video. Once you have done this stage for 3 months and made a condensed notes using mental map, you are through, and now comes the last stage, the revision phase. Now how do you revise? Now you could get 30 days, 40 days or 50 days depending upon when you start the preparation. But I have made a video on how to prepare for ISI MSQE in the last 30 days. So do check that video out, and I will be providing that link also in the I link button and also in the description box below. So this is the end of your preparation plan of 9 months. So I have given a basic framework, and there are few gaps here which I have left intentionally, because I don't want to spoon feed you everything. But still, if a lot of people request some kind of a video on the gaps which I have left, I'll make that video for you. So a gap which I find could come in your mind, because I interact with a lot of aspirants and they repeatedly ask me a question like this, that which book to study, which chapters to study. So if you want a detailed video on which chapters to study and when to study, for that request me in the comment below, and I'll try to make a video taking the help of few books and giving you which chapters to study and when to study, so that your preparation is seamless. But still, that is something which is not in my radar. I would definitely like you guys to make your own plan. As I said, I will send you a PDF for this plan if you submit your email ID, and then you can easily understand which book to study and when to study. But still, if you need a video, I'll make that video. And after that, I would also be making a future video on routine for ISI MSQE preparation, and that would be a very detailed routine. So that is in my radar. So I would make that video very soon. How to make your preparation routine, how to plan your day. So that is in the pipeline. It will come in due course of time. So as of now, I would like to end this video, because I have told everything which I wanted to tell in this video. So do check out my other videos, and this is not the end of ISI preparation videos. I will be making more such videos. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon. And before you go, why don't you like this video and leave a comment. Bye bye.